Let's get started with the sole trader structure, because this is the one most people either completely ignore or run past to get to a company. And that's a mistake, because it's the most simple and often all that's needed. In this structure, it's just you with an ABN attached to your tax file number. When you earn money, it's your money. When you pay tax, it's based on your personal tax rates. Setting up is easy too. You can register an ABN online and you are done. At tax time, you lodge one return with a business schedule attached. No separate company tax return. No financial statement, just your personal tax return with your business income and expenses included. But the big thing to understand is there is no separation between you and your business. If something goes wrong, like if you get sued or you racked up debt, it all comes back to you personally, your house, your car, your saving, everything's on the line.